Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do an updated makeup tutorial for you guys. So I think I did one last year and I'll definitely link that down below. So since it's a new year, I figured that why not update you guys again. As you guys know, I'm loving my Tatcha. Literally hit pan almost all the way. And if you guys hear like me doing hella extra shit, is because I'm putting all my makeup away because all my makeup is literally out. But I'm just gonna put this on my T-zone. Just gonna use my all-nighter Fenty I said Fenty. Today I'm gonna be using my all-nighter foundation by Urban Decay. It's literally not even Fenty. That's not what I use that shit. Came back from San Diego. I had so much fun. What else? I literally got my first PR, so that's really exciting. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys one of the brushes right now. This is the small angled brush. If you guys know me, I literally use, what the fuck do I use for my eyebrows? Is this e.l.f. brush. And believe it or not, I don't know if it'll focus, but look at that shit. Look at that shit. I use this e.l.f. brush and this is called a concealer brush. What the f, Suneha? You guys know what I'm using, Browzings. That's one of the products I'm still freaking using. But you guys, they gave me hella brushes and I was like, is this all for me? Like, I was so freaking shook, I couldn't. I have a lot of like patches on my eyebrows, and what I like about this brush, and it picks up on the skin, so it brings product onto the skin and it fills everything in versus the other little brush that I use. Like, I think I just switched over to an angled brush. Like I said, if you guys know me, I'm so late to the hype for every freaking thing. Like, I'm so annoying. Even though I have like hella makeup, I'm still late to everything. I think I am going to be going back to Sephora soon because I don't have no makeup and I haven't bought makeup. You guys will not believe it. I haven't bought makeup in literally 3 months. It's so funny because I've been really trying to like take care of my skin. I was in San Diego, so I barely wore makeup too, and you know, I was just out in the sun, and this month I just really let my skin breathe, and it's weird. I'd rather invest in skincare. That's like my shit. Anyways, I'm gonna go back in with this brush because I like my eyebrows to be like rounded. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the support I've been recently getting. Shit is going pretty good for me. Like, I can't even complain about life right now. So today I'm going to be using this Kylie palette. I think I'm going to take these two colors right here. These two colors have been my shit. And also I'm using the Luxe tapered blending brush that they gave me. You guys, it is so freaking nice. These brushes are amazing and they're so soft. You could literally use it with wet makeup and dry makeup. Like, it's so good. I'm gonna show you guys actually today, right now. I think there should be a makeup tutorial coming out because I did go in their studio to go film. It was pretty cool. They invited me to do that too. I used like every one of their brushes, and you know, I got to take some home too. Now I'm gonna be taking this color right here, this lighter color, and just highlight my brow bone. San Diego was so much fun. My aunt, remember I told you guys she's my aunt? She goes every year, so she makes it like a yearly trip, and so this year she was like, I'm gonna go with or without anyone, and I was like, you know what, let me just tag along. I went with her and literally we had so much fun. It was my first time jet skiing as well, so it was pretty cool. Honestly, I was scared because the people that were kind of like teaching us like what to do, how to park it, like how to bring it back, like it was such a struggle, and like if you do certain things you could get a fine, and like it was just like too much. I was like, do I even want to do this? Take the Urban Decay medium light neutral concealer. Literally I was like, do I even want to do this? Like, I was so nervous because I kept saying that like don't do this, don't do that. And you guys, I forgot to mention what I'm using. Okay, so I'm using the Luxe fluff brush, and I've been using this for concealer and to set my under eye. Literally, it's so good. But anyways, back to my jet ski stories. Literally made me not want, like, it was to the point where I didn't even know if I want to do it. First of all, it was just like too much. I had to sign like 3, 4, 5 waivers for that shit. I was like, are you kidding me? On top of that, they had to take away $125 from us just because if we damaged the jet ski. I was like, oh my god. Other than that, it was cool. So where we jet skied was like Coronado Bay. So if you're in San Diego and if you go near like the airport area, there's that bay area. So you jet ski around there, and then they have like the Navy boats, and past the Navy boats you get out of the bay, so you can't really jet ski in the ocean. And my aunt, she actually freaking went past that. She didn't even know. Thank God she didn't get caught up, because she would have had to pay a badass freaking fine. Another go-to product of mine is Bad Girl Bang. I freaking love this shit. I'm gonna just be real with you guys. Like, if I ain't real, then who is? Just dry. Like, this is my thing. I haven't bought makeup in 5 freaking months. Like, I'm literally using this much product every time I do my makeup because I have nothing. Maybe I'll do a haul when I go shopping. Would you guys like that? You know what? I'll just take you guys. Like, I was literally even gonna get my lash extensions done for San Diego, but I just have no time to do anything for myself. Other than the trip to San Diego, that's probably the only thing I did for myself. I haven't went to the gym in over a week and a half, and I know you guys been asking me to film like my workout routine, and I really want to. I literally have to write down if I agree to hang out with someone, because I'll forget. Another, sorry guys if I'm making noise, another go-to product of mine is this chapstick. It is just so good. Like, literally I have nothing left. This is all that I have left of the chapstick. I've been just using this. My lips have been not dry. The only reason why my lips look dry, I'll tell you guys that shit too. I have lines on my lips. I get so many DMs about how do I get those lines on my lips, and not even that, I get DMs on who did my lips. Like, I did not even do my lips at all. I mean, I don't have a problem if you guys do your lips, go ahead, that's cool, but I'm just saying, like, I never got my lips done. I thought I'd just address that shit, because you guys don't even know how many people DM me and ask me where I get my lips done. I haven't gotten my lips done ever. So lashes, I'm gonna just pop on some lashes right now. You guys, I'm all over the place, sorry, because I have all my makeup out. If I show you guys my vanity, it's disgusting. It's being real as with you guys. Oh my god, I didn't even know. They gave me the spoolie. I'm stoked. This spoolie is a shit. Oh my god. They hooked it up. Thanks, LaRousse. Another thing that hella consumes my time is all these family events that I have. You guys, I've had a family event every weekend from June all the way to September. Every freaking weekend. I'm not even home on the weekends no more. I feel like having a big family is like so nice. Ever since I came back from San Diego, I haven't been eating right. I literally eat like 2 bowls of ice cream every day. It's just so bad. Another exciting thing is I'm gonna start Tahitian. If you guys didn't know, I've been doing Tahitian for like 4 years. Yeah, I took like a mini break. Sorry, I'm just taking this and just defining my crease more. I took a break, and it's just like a good freaking workout, and I miss it, and you know, it's definitely a part of my culture, so it's something that I like to do. Now I'm going to be taking the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Oh, and this brush, the fluff brush. Watch. Remember how I blended my concealer, you guys? I'm going to take some, and I'm going to literally, okay, I'm going to see if I can come closer. I'm going to literally like press it on. Like, it's so flawless. Look at that. I literally told them, I was like, I don't even care what brushes you guys give me, I just want this brush. Like, I was like, what the heck? It makes everything so smooth, because you know translucent powder makes like your face so nice and smooth. But you guys, I was so shook. Oh, this is another one of my favorite. This is the LR360 tapered brush. Oh my god, it's so soft. I'm gonna take my Estee Lauder powder. I've been using this powder a lot. It picks up the product really good. Like, if you guys want to see, like, that's a lot of product. But I just like put it on like that. I love this powder so much because it's just nice and full coverage. Sometimes, like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup. I told you guys that, yeah, I did tell you guys that. I haven't been wearing makeup, and so sometimes I just wear this when I go out. It looks like I have nothing on my face. Gonna be taking this little brush. This is the Morphe M4333 brush. I'm just gonna take Hoola and contour my nose. Did you guys have a good summer? Like, what the heck? Another thing that I get asked on my DMs is, where did I get my nose job from? Like, no, I did not get my nose done at all. I get asked that so many times. I get that a lot when in person. My most frequently asked questions are, where do I get my lips done, and where did I get my nose done? And when I heard the nose one, I started laughing. I was like, what the heck? That is so random. Like, girl, if you would have known, I haven't even gotten my nose done ever. I'm gonna take this highlighter and put it in my inner corner with my ring finger. I've been just doing that lately because I just like how it just looks so freaking harsh. See? All right, now to the fun part. Bronzer. I'm gonna take that Larousse 304 angled brush. This brush is so good too. I'm just gonna bronze the out of my face. I just been working and I just been minding my own business. So for blush, I'm gonna be using the KKW Luxe. I think I'm gonna take this angled contour brush from Larousse. I'm gonna actually try it. I'm kind of scared because it's really thick. See that? So this is the comparison. So this is just the angled brush. See? Then this is the contour. Like, it's pretty thick. Interesting. It's gonna take a little bit. It's more dense as well. I'm gonna take a little bit and see how that goes. Oh, it's nice. If you guys know me, I freaking love my line. Like, it just looks so prominent. I love it. All right. Next that I'm probably gonna do is highlighter, the Balm Cosmetics. Oh, by the way, everything that I'm using will be down below in the description. I don't know why I said that hella late. I suck. Ooh, do you guys remember this? If you guys are OG watcher, this is my bow and arrow by Kat Von D. I'm gonna be using Mac Oak to line my lips. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my Kat Von D liquid lip on. So yeah, you guys, this is literally the updated look. I might put gloss on, I'm not sure. But anyways, before I close out this video, I really wanted to say thank you so much for Larousse for inviting me over to you guys' studio and letting me try out the brushes hands-on. So throughout the whole video, yes, I did use all their brushes. I really wanted to show you guys individually what brushes that they gave me. First of all, if you guys don't believe me, look how flawless my face looks. The brushes that they gave me was a tapered brush, the tapered face brush. So this is what it looks like. If you guys could see. It's hella dirty because I just freaking used it right now. I should have showed it to you guys clean. Like, I'm such a dumbass. And then this one is the angled contour. I literally showed you guys contoured with that. That one's nice too. And literally, I love the grip. Like, the grip on it is really cool. And it looks really sleek. You know what I mean? The next brush that they gave me is the angled brush. Like, bomb. The next brush that they gave me is the tapered blending. I use that literally for my eyeshadow. Hopefully it focuses. I guess it doesn't want to focus. The next brush that they gave me is the angled brush, you guys. I freaking love this brush. Next brush they gave me is the lash and brow. Oh my god, you guys, this is so good. I don't know if because my other one's hella gunky, to be honest with you, but this one combed out really good. Like, all my hair combed out so nicely, and it literally blended all my products in. Like, I'm hella using it right now, sorry. But yeah, next brush that they gave me is a duo fiber. I haven't used this one, so I don't know, maybe this is like a good brush. Like, if I went super cakey on my face, I'd probably use this just to blend everything out. I don't know. This, ooh, oh my god, I didn't even know they gave me this brush either. This is one of my other favorite ones. This is the contour blending. Oh my god, Larousse, I love you guys. You guys hella hooked it up. Oh my god. This I would use for blush. Like, even though it says contour blending, like, because I have more, like, I don't know if you guys know, literally have like apple cheekbones, and I would love to just like in a circular motion just put on my blush. I'm so f***ing weird, but if you guys love makeup, you guys exactly know what I'm talking about. It's literally so like satisfying when you do your makeup, you know? My favorite brush, the fluff brush. This is what it looks like. I literally use this for my concealer, and I set my under eye and my forehead and my creases, and literally my face just looks still bomb. I cannot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys didn't get bored of the products because I've been literally using the same products over and over again for the past year, and I think I did a couple makeup tutorials with it, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is the face I'll have all the time. This is my go-to look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more. We're almost at 500, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.